and other such things, right? This is a circle, it's a two-dimensional flat shape. If we blow the circle up into 3 dimensions, we have a sphere. We have a sphere, which is like a puri. Very good. Very good. Or like a... For instance, yes. Pani puri. All of these things. Exactly. Very good. We have these shapes in our food. If we take 2 spheres, 2 puris, 2 golgappas, and were to make them intersect or overlap in a way, we would have a new shape. The area where they overlap in the middle would end up being shaped exactly like an idli. Everybody familiar with our food, the idli?
Yeah.
It's a UFO shape.
Yeah.
A technical shape for this is called a lenticular shape. Lentils have this shape also. The special clouds that form above the peaks of mountains are lenticular clouds. So imagine these are 2 spheres where they overlap. This area in the middle is exactly the shape of an idli or a UFO. This is already an important shape in sacred geometry. If we were to go back to the 2-dimensional, just 2 circles overlapping, this shape in the middle here has a name already. I mean, we know circles have names, but you probably didn't know that this shape has a name, which we call like eye shape or almond shape. It's called Vesica Pisces. Yeah. And we know this word in Latin already means fish. It's the shape of a fish. They've named it after the shape of a fish. This lenticular shape, the idli shape, is found in our body. In the lens of our eye, it's exactly this kind of shape, lenticular shape. I don't know if it has another name, so we can call it idli. Idli shape. Here's another one. If we took a circle and rotated it around this axis, which is touching one side of the circle, rotated it around this way, then we'd end up with a kind of 3D shape, which is our vada. With maybe not a whole hole in the middle, but just like a point in the middle. Not like a big American donut, but just a point in the middle. This shape has a name also. Vada has a shape name, which we call torus in geometry. The torus shape is found all over nature, even in the convection of air in a room, the way heat will move around in a room, or inside your microwave oven or convection oven is doing this thing. The air is moving this way and this way. Hot air is going up, cold air is going down. This is happening in our atmosphere and all around the world at the same time. Air is going up and going down, and this is creating weather patterns. So this shape, which we call torus, is also found in the magnetic field of our planet, and all the magnetic fields of all the planets. And it's a really magical shape that seems to just kind of wind on itself and go on infinitely. And this is exactly the shape of our vada, or maybe donuts. I have one more food I wanted to mention to you guys. I'm just mentioning this because I feel it's better for me to talk about vadas and idlis than to talk about torus and a 3-dimensional Vesica Pisces. This is what I mentioned. Oh, here's one more really great Indian snack, which I haven't mentioned. Exactly, samosas. Very good, very good. We have 2 kinds of samosas. There is the cocktail samosa, which is kind of just a puffed up triangle, right? But the proper samosa is more like this. And this shape is called a tetrahedron. I'm not going to do that. Tetrahedron. Tetra is from the Greek for 4. It has 4 sides. This is our samosa. These are our ancient Indian snacks. And for some reason, we have like hidden information about sacred geometry into our snacks in a way that nobody could erase it. Culture can change. You can all be completely ignorant, but we'll still be eating sacred geometry. This wonderful samosa shape, which is called a tetrahedron,